Welcome to LGS Cars, where we bring you the latest and greatest in automotive design and innovation. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the 2025 BYD Atto 3, an electric SUV that's making waves in the EV market with its impressive features and stylish design. A sleek and modern design. The 2025 BYD Atto 3 features a sleek and modern exterior with a bold front grille and striking LED headlights that give it a confident and contemporary look. The coupe-style roofline and large-diameter wheels add to its sporty and dynamic appearance, making it stand out on the road. Spacious and comfortable interior inside, the Atto 3 offers a spacious and well-designed cabin. The seats are plush and supportive, ensuring comfort for both driver and passengers. The interior is equipped with high-quality materials and thoughtful touches, such as ample storage space and advanced infotainment features, making every journey enjoyable. Power and efficiency. Under the hood, the Atto 3 is powered by BYD's ultra-safe patented blade battery technology, providing a reliable and efficient electric powertrain. The standard model offers a range of 145 kilometers WLTP, while the extended range model extends this to 420 kilometers, making it perfect for both city driving and longer trips. Cutting-edge technology. The Atto 3 comes with a host of advanced technology features, including a large touchscreen interface that controls most of the car's functions. The head unit can be rotated from horizontal to vertical, providing flexibility and ease of use. Additionally, the Atto 3 includes features like wireless phone charging, intelligent cruise control, and a multi-function display with steering wheel controls. Safety and innovation. Safety is a top priority for BYD, and the Atto 3 is equipped with a range of safety features, including lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and ABS with traction control. The car also features a double-layer panoramic anti-pinch skylight, ensuring a safe and comfortable driving experience. A sustainable future. The 2025 BYD Atto 3 is more than just an electric SUV. It's a commitment to sustainability and innovation. With zero emissions and a growing network of charging stations, the Atto 3 is designed to make a positive impact on the environment while providing an exhilarating driving experience. The 2025 BYD Atto 3 is a game-changer in the electric SUV market, offering a perfect blend of style, performance, and sustainability. Stay tuned to LG Cars for more insights and updates on the latest automotive marvels.